guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I really appreciate you for being here and always being here to support your girl. So in this video, I decided to do a video on side hustles you can do as a campus student. Guys, the reason I chose this topic is because if you don't know, I'm a recent graduate, and while I was in campus, I really had to look for ways to survive, yeah, to make myself, yeah, get some of them. And if you know me quite well, I always had something I was selling. Like, I could come to class, my handbag had something I was selling. Not all the damn time, but most of the time. So I'm here, guys, to enlighten you on some of the things, some of the side hustles you can start as a campus student. Yeah, so grab a drink or whatever you want, grab your popcorn. I'm here with my Coke. Yeah, so side hustle number one is selling cosmetics. This is a very lucrative business idea, guys, that you can start. By the way, cosmetic, everyone most girls in campus want to look good, feel good. Yeah, and cosmetic is the number one goal I'll advise anyone who want to start a side hustle in campus. So personally, what I used to do, I used to go to Dubois. Actually, cosmetics there are cheap. You grab like on wholesale price, and then you go and sell at a profit to your fellow students. Cosmetic can be broad. You can either sell jewelry, you can either sell lipsticks, you can sell makeup. Like, it's a wide range. You just choose what you want to sell. Personally, I used to sell a lot of stuff, from makeup, lipsticks, necklaces, just a lot of stuff, guys. I never had something specific that I was selling, but trust you me, like, customers are always there. Like, if you don't know where to start, you can start with the hostels, your friends, your WhatsApp, you post on your WhatsApp statuses, and yeah, you'll get clients from there. So that's number one. Business number two. So business number two is actually selling mtumba clothes to your fellow students. So, in campus, everyone want to slay on a budget. Maybe not everyone, but most people want to slay on a budget. So you go to Gikomba or any other market near you, and you get quality, affordable mtumba clothes, either tops, jeans, hoods, but mostly tops, jeans, skirts, dresses. uh they're bound to sell. Like, you can't go a day without selling those stuff. So you just go early in the morning to the market to get your stock, and then you can either post on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, or you just go to door, or you just tell people to help you tell their friends that you're selling something. So mtumba business is a very good side hustle if you're looking to make some profit for yourself. And one thing you're sure about is that you will not lack a customer to sell to, guys. You will always find a client to sell to mtumba clothes. Back when I was in campus, guys, I will go to Gikomba sometimes, and then I'll grab a few items. Like, it could be either cozy sweaters, very cute tops and classy ones, and then go with them home. And then while going to school, I put them in my handbag, and then, like, after class, I'll tell my friends, hey, I'm selling this and this. And let me tell you, guys, they'll always support me. That's something, like, you're sure about. Like, if you're selling something beautiful or very cute, or cozy, classy, someone will buy it, guys. So just go to any market near you, get those mtumba items. Make sure it's something very classy and looks nice, that you're bound to sell. And yeah, customers will just come automatically. So that's number two. Side hustle number three is actually braiding hair. You really don't need capital in this one, because all you need is a comb, and your skill. So you just look for your fellow students and tell them, I can braid hair, I can do this, yeah, I can do this style. You can either show them a picture of someone you've done to hair before, and then you'll always get customers. And then the good thing with being a student and braiding the fellow students here is that we always come to you because you're doing it at a cheaper price than what maybe they'll get out there, you know. So you're always bound to get clients. Personally, I never did that one because I really don't know how to braid hair, but if I did, that's a very good side hustle. I used to see people who used to braid hair and I used to envy them because I was like, I wish I knew how to braid hair because I'm so money minded, you know. I used to wish I knew how to braid hair. Unfortunately, I didn't. But if you know how to, or maybe you are a fast learner, maybe you can watch videos through YouTube or any other platform, you can learn very quickly, you know. The fourth side hustle, guys, that you can actually do in campus or just wherever you are is um I feel like I should make this just a side hustle thing in and out of campus because I know my audience, some of them are not in campus, so this you can do just from anywhere. And this is selling of perfumes. Yeah, you see those small bottles, those refill sprays that you get you go with your own bottle and then you get a refill and then you pay like 100, 150 or 200 shillings. That's a very good business idea, guys. Let me tell you, like, people want to smell nice, but not everyone can afford the designer sprays, you know. Not everyone can afford the good girl, not everyone can afford this designer perfume. So what most people want is quality, but at a low amount, you know. Because personally, when I was in campus, I used to like love perfumes, not just while in campus. Even right now I really love perfumes, but back then I couldn't afford a very expensive perfume, you know. So I could always buy it from someone who is selling those small bottles. Like, you get a refill at maybe 50, 100, 150, and yeah, you smell nice. So you just I don't know how to maneuver through the business, this specific one, but I'm sure if you do your research, there are people out there always willing to help, and you know where to get the sprays, the bottles and all that. And then yeah, there you go. The fifth side hustle you can do is photography. um this you only need a camera and voila, you're good to go. Because I know many people love to take nice photos, look good and take pictures, so why not? You just invest in a good camera, or you can just save your coins and get yourself one, tell your folks to buy you one, and then start taking pictures from school. While I was schooling, a picture used to be 50 shillings, one picture. So I guess, like, if you take um 10 to 15 clients in a day, that's that's something, by the way, that's something. So yeah, just invest in a good camera, like the lenses and all. I don't know about photography, but yes, I hear people saying about the lenses and all, whatever, good camera, and yeah, you're ready to start your business. The sixth side hustle that you can do is actually doing nails. Yes, manicure, pedicure. Buy a few gels, or what are they called, this it's cutex, and then you start applying nails, you start doing your friend's nails. So all you need in this one is either cutex or gel, and you're good to go. Maybe the nail files and whatever the other things, but mainly you only need the gels and the cutex, and you're good to start your business, guys. This one, there are a lot of ladies in campus who want to do their nails on a budget, so you're sure you will get clients. 100% sure you're going to get clients and make profit. Another side hustle you can actually do is doing assignments. Like, there are people who just don't want to do the assignment, and you can actually take advantage of that. All you need is a laptop, and voila, you're good to go. You do the assignment at a cost. Because I hope there's no parent watching this. Anyway, yeah, but that's a business, guys, by the way. You can actually do assignment at a cost. Yeah, I've actually lost count. I hope that was number 6. Was it? I hope so. Yeah, so I guess we're at number 7. Let me see. Another side hustle you can actually do is makeup artist. Like, I know original makeup can be expensive, but when you save your coins, you can actually start small. You don't have to start with all the makeup products that you need, but you can just buy a few, maybe foundations, concealer, just the few basics that you need. Make sure they're original products, especially if they are going directly on the skin, and then you start your business. Actually, this is a side hustle I majored in while I was in campus. I used to apply makeup to some of my friends when people are graduating and so on, and even right now I still do it. If you watch my first video, you saw I said I do makeup as a side hustle, and yeah, I'll actually say it's a good business to major in, to venture in actually right now, because it actually puts food on the table. Yeah, it really does. So just buy your stuff, learn how to do it. You can book a master class or either go on YouTube, however you choose to do it. You can either go to school, I guess for a few months, I don't know how many, but yeah, and then you're good to go and start your business. So guys, yeah, I lost count, so I guess I'm just going to stop there for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video of me filming how you can get extra coins while in school or outside school actually. For those who still don't have jobs, or you have a job and you want to, you know, money is never enough to put in more income for yourself. Those are very good businesses you can actually start. So guys, tell me in the comment section below which you tried or which you're willing to try, and I'd be really glad to receive your feedback. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.